Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink inside of PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up PDFgear and then that PDF file or your document that you'd like to add that hyperlink in. So I've got this monthly calendar for demonstration. So say for example, I want to go ahead and hyperlink this brand awareness text. So what I can do is click onto the edit tab here, then from edit click onto link, and then it should say you are now in linking mode. And now go ahead and just draw over the text there, and now it's going to say here navigate. So we've got a few options. We can navigate to a page inside of PDFgear, or a URL, or a local file. So say for example I want to do a URL, so I'm going to put in google.com and click onto OK like so. Please enter valid URL link. So I think I need to put in HTTPS. And now once you've done that, it's going to go ahead, you can double click it and it's going to go ahead and say yep, URL's been put in. So if I go back to home, click on that, click onto that, and then it's going to say you are going to open google.com, please make sure you trust it for opening. So yeah, that's how to add links inside of PDFgear.